how to turn off or on friend requests notification on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First open BeReal and then click on your profile here, and after that click these 3 points, and once you're here click notifications, and here we'll find friend requests. Now all you need to do just if you want to turn it off, just click on it and then click save and go back, and that's it. And you can turn it on again just by one click, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.